In this walkthrough, your team starts with a concrete question. An AI-assisted pull request changes authentication behavior. Before it merges, you need a clear decision path and a record you can explain later. The issue is not simply that a developer used AI. The issue is whether your team can see what changed, which tool helped, which sensitive path was touched, and who approved the final decision. Start by classifying the changed files. Because this pull request touches authentication logic under SourceAuth, your workflow routes it through high-risk review instead of ordinary review. Next, confirm whether the AI tool was approved for this kind of work. Your register should show what the tool may do, what data it must not receive, and which tools remain out of bounds. Use the AI pull request risk checklist as the operating record. It keeps reviewers from relying only on memory, intuition, or scattered pull request comments. Now collect the evidence that supports the decision. Reviewers should be able to see the focus tests, security notes, rollback path, and any follow-up work that remains open. If a required check is missing, do not hide it in a comment thread. Record the exception, the reason, the approver, the compensating control, and the expiry date. At the end, your team records the merge decision. The record explains the risk, the evidence reviewed, the exception accepted, the approvers, the rollback path, and the follow-up. This is the practical outcome. A risky AI-assisted pull request becomes a reviewable governance trail. ControlBasis Starter gives your team the templates to adapt this workflow inside your own environment.